Gazprom. It's actually a Russian gas station. Hello everyone and welcome to a new episode on the Rocco Boy channel. Today we will do one amazing thing. Actually, I'm waiting for covering for my wheels, covering for my brakes, waiting for foils to make design for my car, waiting for polishing paste to polish my car. So everything I need to wait around 2 weeks, something like that, and I can't let you guys without video for next 2 weeks. So I need to magically create content. So I think it's a good idea to show you the price of the gas in my country after the sanctions, because all of you knows about war in Ukraine and sanctions to Russia. Actually, I'm living in one small country close to Croatia, Serbia, Montenegro, and also close to Russia and Ukraine, so I'm thinking around 450 kilometers. So after sanctions we have really bad prices of fuel, especially diesel, and also the food and all other stuff. So let's go on couple gas stations in my country and show you the price of gas now, and I will also show you the price before these sanctions and everything. My country is not a rich country, and here when you have a price of gas over maybe €1.10, €1.15, it's too much, trust me. So let's go and see the prices of gas in my country. So the first gas station is Gazprom. It's actually a Russian gas station, so they have the best prices. And actually after sanctions they keep almost the original prices. They change just small amount of stuff, so nothing too much. It's a really great thing. And another gas stations are, I think, more expensive, but I need to check that. So this is my beautiful city, Bihać. Actually now in next 10 or 15 days everything will start to be green, so it will be amazing. Now it's not looking so much good, but it's okay. This is the mountain Plešavica, and if you want to see that, you have my other channel, the outdoor world, and we're hiking on this mountain a lot of time. This is Hyundai Tucson. Actually Tucson on my language means like idiot. So cool name for car, Hyundai, really cool. This is the river Runa, one of the most beautiful rivers in the world. It looks amazing. It's always clear and always have some green/blue color. So amazing thing. So next gas station is Telkunović. Telkunović is our actually country station, gas station. And when we speak about Telkunović, Ch actually is this letter C with this slash on top, so we pronounce that like Ch. So now two gas stations with totally different prices, Energopetrol and Hifa. So maybe 10 meters between those two gas stations, and prices are too different. This is actually new road and it's really badly, so they use cheap materials to make them this, so it's not in good conditions after a couple months, but we can do that. They are cleaning roads after winter. There is a lot to grow, so now it's amazing, and the roads are so clean. Look how much trees we have here, and this is just start of city park. Just imagine how great that will be when everything starts to be green. And again, red light. There is 2 gas stations more on the right side, but the prices are totally the same, like on this Hifa Petrol and Energo Petrol, so you don't need to go there to show you this horror house in my city. Actually, 2 people who lived there killed a couple people, and this is actually the only murder case in my city for last maybe 20 years, something like that. And this is school district, economic school, medical school, and a lot of other ones. So that's it for this video. I hope you're enjoying this content. That was the prices of fuel in my country. Also the food get higher prices, but what we can do there, we will buy the stuff no matter of price. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel, to support my work, and to like this video and share it with your friends. Wow, this car looks amazing except of wheels. I need to change this.